It's Miss Denise and Reagan from Aaron Public Library, and welcome to Cuisine for Kiddos. Well, today we have a very special recipe. These are brownie cookies, and they are made with a brownie mix. So Reagan and I are going to show you what you will need to make this recipe. Of course, you will need brownie mix.
And you spin the bowl.
Here you go, hold that. 1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Can you get that?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
And
1/4 cup of butter melted. And 1/4 cup of flour.
So what do we put in first?
So our hands are washed, counters wiped off. We're ready to get started. First thing to go in is our brownie mix. So we're gonna.
Well, we didn't say this. We didn't say this.
No, I think I'll probably just throw the baggie out. But the brownie mix is the first thing to go in. And
I
then
I can taste some of this just like
1/4 cup of flour. Oh, did you get it all?
Yeah.
All right. And now I'm going to let you take this spoon and mix it all up together. Can you do that? Okay. And now we're going to add the other ingredients. Let's make a little well in the middle. Do you know what that means?
No.
Let me show you. This is a well in the middle, like so. Right, like that. Now, we're going to do the eggs. And I'm going to let you crack one, and I'll crack one. And do it right over the bowl, okay? Do it right over the bowl.
Put it in here?
You're going to put it right in there, like this. You got it. You're doing it. Yeah, I got it. Oops, we'll get that. We can get those egg shells out of there.
There.
We have to get those out. Here.
Sticky towel. That's very easy shells.
Yeah, they were easy to get out, weren't they? Oh, there. That one too. Easy to get out. Okay.
What happens if you eat shells?
Well, you know, I think they just make a crunching sound. I don't think it would really hurt you, but it would be kind of crunchy. Let's put the sugar in. You can do the sugar.
Right in the middle?
Yeah. And the butter.
Okay, this is going to melt the sugar.
Let's get all that butter in. See if we can get it all in.
Now, do we put all of this in?
Oh no, 1 teaspoon. I'll let you hold the spoon and I'll pour. How's that? I might overflow it a little bit because I really like vanilla. How about you? There we go. Okay. And about 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. No, you know what? Those don't go in until the very end. We have to mix first. That's good. That's perfect. That's about a tablespoon. And now we're going to mix.
Can I mix?
Yes, you can mix. I'm going to help you. Whoops. I gave you a short spoon because I thought it would be easier. There it is. There it is. We want to mix until it's nice and moist. And this takes a couple of minutes. So our oven is preheating to 375 degrees. And when our cookies are ready to go in, we're going to bake them for about 9 minutes. And at 9 minutes, they might have a little bit of a gooey center. If you don't like the idea of the gooey center of the cookie, leave it in for a little bit longer. So 9 minutes, and then when we take them out, they have to cool entirely on the cookie sheet. So that means that we will not be taking them off the cookie sheet until they're all the way cool. You know what, I'm going to use this spoon because it's better. Yes. There. And who doesn't like brownies?
And who doesn't like chocolate chip?
I don't know anybody that doesn't like chocolate chips. Do you?
I don't see what's the problem with that.
I don't see a problem with that either.
Because it probably will taste just the same.
It tastes really good. And you know, I'm going to tell you, the chocolate chips get kind of melty. And it's like a little bit more solid of a brownie. You know what? I think we need a little bit more liquid in here. I'm just going to put a little bit.
Miss Denise, you have fancy stuff at your house.
Do you think
You
so?
have a fancy phone.
A fancy phone? You know, I have to tell you a story about that. My granddaughter didn't know what that was, that old kind of wall phone. She said, "What is that?" And we had to prove to her that it actually was a phone and that it worked as a phone. It really was kind of funny. Okay, we're almost there. We want to get it all mixed up. And then we're going to put in the chocolate chips and mix it up some more.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Yeah, a little more mixing. A little more mixing. And our batter was a little bit dry, so I did add a teeny bit of water. You'll have to just see how yours is. There we go. That looks better.
Cookie jars? You got cookie jars?
Okay, are you ready to pour the chocolate chips in?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Bye-bye,
Pour 'em in.
ones.
Mm-hmm. And we have to mix this up now. More hard work. Here, you know what? You use the shorter spoon. That'll be better.
I don't think I can handle all of it.
Well, I'm helping you. We're going to get it mixed. Okay. That looks pretty good. What do you think?
And look at what happens after.
It's supposed to look like that. That's how my last batch looked. Okay, now we are ready to put them on the cookie sheet.
Yum, nom, 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 nom. I can do that.
Do you know how to do that?
You kind of like scrape and push that.
You scrape like this, and I'll let you do the pushing. Go ahead, put it on. Squeeze. This is about a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. We're not going to do all these. We'll just let you get the idea.
I can do this.
Go ahead.
by
Go
myself.
ahead. You can do it. Okay. So we'll finish this later, but right now, I think it's time to sample a cookie. What do you think? Take one. Take a bite and see what you think. I think it passed the Reagan test. See you next time. Hope you like this recipe.
Good, good.
Bye.